Hey YouTube. Alright, so we did some work. Mr. Fredriq Craft came out. So if you subscribe to his channel, you'll see a driving video of me here in the Thomas. We were putt-putting to go get some parts for his new bus. I'm sure he'll show video of it soon. I'm not gonna spoil it. Me AC compressors that are in the back of my Jeep. They're gonna go home with me. And then that Bostrom seat there. And I was gonna put that in here, but the base has the same bolt pattern as the Blue Bird. And I wanted an air ride seat, but I got to looking at this, I'm like, I can get a red Bostrom seat cover and slide it over that, or I could get red seat paint and paint it. Not sure what I'll do yet, but it looks really good. It's comfy as hell. And then I'll put this big wide ride here in the Thomas. And then the existing air ride seat here, got a surprise for it. I won't say yet, but you guys will see soon enough, hopefully anyways. Yeah. Alright YouTube, so we got this driver's seat here that is going to go in the Blue Bird. It is a Bostrom Routemaster, really nice one. Has the same bolt pattern as the existing seat, so it should just be bolt out and bolt in. This seat used to be black. I was using this stuff. Then I got, actually, this is what I was spraying with the other, same thing. Got some Blue Bird maroon. If you look, here's a swatch of the brand new maroon fabric, and it's pretty damn close. It's gonna look good. The last step is I want a black bird up here on the headrest. So I have cut that out of a picture, a Blue Bird that there it is right there. I cut it out, transferred it to the tape with a Sharpie, and that's gonna look really good. So yeah, I'll start spraying here in a second and show you the finished product. So I just pulled the tape off of the bird. I'm sure y'all want to see it. I also cleaned, before I do that, a little bit of brake clean and cleaned the overspray off right here. You ready? How does that look? That is just freaking awesome. This seat, I tell you what, Fred, I can't thank you enough for this damn seat. Now that it's got the Blue Bird logo on it, it's gonna look freaking sick in my bus. Holy crap. What a cool idea I came up with. This was something that I just thought up on the fly. Instead of getting a red seat cover, it's like, hey, why don't we just mask it off and do that? It really freaking came out pretty good. You just gotta let that dry and cure, and that's gonna look sweet. Alright, YouTube. Well, it's in. Damn, she looks good too. I thought the bolt pattern was the same, but the back two bolts on the pedestal are a little bit further back. I did break that guy right there, so I'm going to have to go underneath and unscrew it with vice grips. And the new parking brake lever is in. And it is as tight as it will go, and it is definitely out of adjustment. So I will have to pull this thing out one day and release the brake and then go underneath the bus and adjust it properly, because it is as tight as it will go. It is nice because this lever does it does unscrew, but if you notice, each time I turn it, it falls further down. So if I tighten it as far as it will get, which is right there, that's pretty close, but it doesn't hold very tight. It does hold the bus enough to make it stop, but the bus is in ruts right now, so it's not really going anywhere, which is good. But anyway, we'll get that done later. I'm gonna let the driver's seat cure a little more, but yeah, I love this Blue Bird logo I put on here. Now I just got to get a red seat cover for back behind it, and then it will look much better. But I did paint the entire driver's seat, and boy, ooh, you can see the bird in the mirror too. That just looks cool. All right, guys, thanks for watching.